All right, folks, here comes Amtrak train number 11, called Starlight. This train is headed to Los Angeles, where the ALC 42 lead it off. 305 is leading off, followed by 330. Two ALC 42 Seaman Charger. 305 and 330. I mean, when would 330 would get a washdown? Look how dirty it is for a Seaman Charger. Please watch 330. Take it to the train wash. All right. This is Amtrak Coast Starlight, train number 11, on its way to Los Angeles. 2 coaches in the front, the lounge car. Everybody have a safe trip. You got the diner car right there, and 2 sleepers right here, and 2 sleepers. All right, folks, this train is going to Los Angeles on the coast sub. I'm Marcel Hall. Thank you for watching. More to come later on. Enjoy your Sunday. Seriously. ALC 42 330 needs a washdown real badly. I'm Marcel Hall. Have a good one.